That's like the weakest cartwheel in the history of man. Yeah, camera, you get in there.
I'm bringing it in.
You got it?
You got my purse in your hand. That was so wrong.
What'd you do? I missed it. You squeezed it off! Chrissy choked the chicken. Chrissy choked the chicken and turned it off.
Dude, this is an actual pool. For kids.
Yes.
Yeah. Hey, did I do that?
No.
All I did was I like smack like
Did I do that?
Wait, I got it.
I'm digging the LED effect, man. That's pretty cool.
Definitely.
Wow.
You know what sucks if you're a bystander and you didn't realize what you're stepping into? And you got that right up the crotch.
Yeah, water up the crotch is never any fun.
That reminds you of one of those bidets.
Yeah, one of those ass cleaning toilets.
Oh, hey, at least now you know how the bums in downtown St. Louis clean their assholes.
Say that?
I said, at least you know now how the downtown bums clean their assholes. Ew. Ew. Gross.
Oh, that's
You would
it.
think of that.
Ew.
Yeah. Mwah.